Okay, today we're going to talk about upsells and automation. The CRM is designed to help automate a lot of your tasks, and upsells are a great way to increase the ticket price that customers are spending when they get a service or product with your business. And if you don't already have some upsells that you're using for your business, you should definitely sit down and look at little products or services that you can add on to existing purchases with customers so that you can increase your overall revenue per customer. It's a great way to boost your sales, and it's something you should really consider doing. Now, the problem with a lot of businesses is they don't have the time or the resources to properly upsell every customer. So we've designed a system that will automatically try and upsell your customer for each service or product, and you're in full control. You're in the driver's seat. So let's just show you how the system works, and then you can basically think about the possibilities for your own business. So when you log in, you're going to want to go under marketing, because this is a marketing tactic, and you're going to want to click on upsell automation. So we click on upsell automation, it brings us to this page here. Here you'll see some listed that we've created in this demo account just for demonstration purposes, but you can create new ones by clicking on this tab here. You add the product or service you're going to sell. And in this case, we're assuming this is a detailing company, so they're going to offer things like, Aquapel, for example, which is something that goes on the glass, and it's kind of like Rain-X. It helps you, with safety and keep the windshield clean. So we would put Aquapel in this part here. We would attach it to a service, so we're going to add it to detailing services. You can add multiple, search them, so on and so forth. Set a price for what you want to sell it for. Typically, you do a reduced price because they're already getting a service with you. So this is kind of a bonus, like, hey, act now, add this onto your existing service or purchase, and you're going to get a discounted rate. Then you can add an image and a description of what the product is. I'll show you how this all looks from a customer standpoint in a moment. So then once you save it, it's going to show up in your list here. And if you hover over this, it's going to show all the services that this particular upsell is attached to. It'll also show you the description, the price, the image, so on and so forth. You can always remove the image, add a new one, edit and delete upsells as well at any time. So that's how you add them into the system. Okay, so now that you've got them in there and you've assigned them to all the services that you want and you're ready and happy with how things are, what's going to happen is when the customer gets an email or a text message before their appointment, and it's going to say, hey, your appointment is coming up, don't forget, it's going to give them a soft little pitch about that. So just to show you quickly, so something like this, your appointment's coming up, it's got the regular stuff, like, it gives them the details, confirm or cancel. And then at the bottom here, it's going to say one last thing. There's some incredible options available that other customers added recently. It's going to show them some images with the pricing, but also a link that they can click. And that link is going to take them to a page that looks like this. And it's going to say good afternoon, customer's name. If it's the morning, it'll say good morning. So it's pretty smart like that. And then it's going to say which services or products do you want to add to your insert appointment type here on insert appointment date. And then it's going to list them. The customer can simply choose them from the list here and then click add selections and finish. What that's going to do now is take the price and it's going to automatically update the appointment. So if I go here, we have a test appointment. So I'll click here. And we can see this appointment here. I scroll down and it says customer added upsells to price. So Aquapel, interior cleaning, and you can always remove these if the customer chooses they don't want one, but it'll add them here. And this total, the 45, automatically is added into this. So let's say this job was booked, and it's booked for, like $100, and then you add an upsell that's $45, it's going to update your price value to $145. Because it's going to add on the amount that the customer had chosen. So these are in brackets because these amounts are already added into this price. But if I remove one, for example, like here, I'll remove this one, the 85, and now you can see the price just got updated to reflect the service price plus the only upsell that remains, right? So that's essentially how the upsells work in a nutshell. So once again, go to marketing, upsell automation. You put them in here, you choose the services, and what's going to happen is every appointment or booking that you have, the customer is automatically going to get that notice, a reminder for their appointment, and in there, it's going to make them a pitch on your upsells for each service. And it's only going to show you the services that you've assigned to a particular product or service that you offer. So in this case, when you attach to service, if we only chose detailing, it'll only offer that for detailing services. So pretty cool, very great piece of automation here. Definitely implement this into your business. It can really help boost up your sales and the overall ticket price that you get per customer. All right, enjoy.